So, hey, we got some nice snappers here, man. We crushed it. Woo! We're going to do us, yeah, we're going to get some of these bad boys grilled up tonight. Get this goodness going with some brown rice. Let that cook for about 30 minutes, and then we're going to add some stuff to it. I got the mangrove snappers all cleaned up. I just scaled them and, you know, went ahead and prepared them that way. I put some slits in the side here so the flavor of the seasoning will cook through. Hey, really quick, this week YouTube sent out a notice that I have to have 1,000 subscribers by February 20th in order to make money on YouTube. Now, I don't make a lot of money on YouTube, but every little bit helps. Would you please consider getting your friends, your family members, kids, even strangers to subscribe to Rad Reeling Fishing, because it's a pretty awesome fishing channel, at least I think. So I am going to keep making videos whether I make money or not, but I need to reach this goal by February 20th. And if you have a popular YouTube channel, would you please consider promoting me on your channel? Or if you don't have a popular YouTube channel, please consider promoting me on your channel. Leave a comment below if you need help with your channel, and I'll go over there and subscribe to your channel as well. Hey, pause this video, go take care of that, come back and watch this video because there's some awesome fishing action going on in here. I don't know how to end this. Thanks. This is gonna be so good. All right, gotta go brave the cold. Oh, it's cold out here. Terrible time getting this thing lit. The wind is still blowing like crazy. Oh, come on, don't blow out, don't blow out, come on. Alright, I just left that down there. Hopefully it's going to start.
Kitty, 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 what are you doing, baby? Hi.
Olive oil in the pan. Just put a lot of olive oil in there. We're going to roll this fish around in that olive oil. Just flip these guys around. Get that oil all over them. Just season them nice and generously. Our fish is ready to go on the grill. I got to go out there and make sure that thing got started. Alright, so this is what we want to go with our rice. Pepper, cilantro, onion, tomato. We got one more thing. Garlic. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're just going to add this to the rice. The rice has been cooking about 30 minutes. It's got another 15 minutes to cook. We're going to add this in with the rice, and we're going to put some black beans in there and let them all cook together for that last 15, 20, 25 minutes. And then we're going to take the large portions of these out of the mix. These are just for flavor. We added that stuff in with the rice. Dang it, man, we're going to have to put that on hold. I don't have any black beans. I got to run to the store real fast. All right, we have added in our black beans to our rice and all that other stuff. I'm going to stir that up really good and let it cook for the remaining 15 minutes now. All right, here's what we got going on here. I got the tin container over the fish. Before I put them on the grill, I just took and I oiled the grates on the grill really good with olive oil, and then I set them on there, and they're not sticking at all. So these have been on here for about 5 minutes. Just going to flip them over. Now those are looking really good. So these fish have been on here, I don't know, 7-8 minutes on each side, maybe 5 minutes on one, 8 or 10 minutes on the other. But the fish is definitely done. Got the fish off the grill, and yeah, there was just, you know, just a minimal amount of meat that stuck to the grill. It's because I oiled it up really good with olive oil before I put the fish on there. We coated the fish with olive oil too. So, yeah, it didn't really stick to the grill. That's a good thing. So we got our black beans and rice. I took all of the larger stuff out. It's flavored. Put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there. Got me a nice kale salad going on here. Now we're going to top off the fish with some melted butter. Give it a nice coating of melted butter there. Give it a shot of lemon juice. Oh, yeah. That stuff right there is goodness. And that's how you grill mangrove snapper.